Siemens generators complement today's most modern and efficient power plants. Based on our vast fleet experience of air, hydrogen and water-cooled generators, Siemens has introduced the SGen-2000P generator series. The SGen-2000P series combines industry-standard cooling technologies for safe and flexible operation. When compared to a traditional installation with a hydrogen-cooled generator, the generator plant interfaces are simplified. Auxiliaries such as the waste gas system, the gas supply system and the seal oil system are no longer required. The SGen-2000P series includes a closed-loop stator water system with over 30 years of proven reliability. Based on the robust design, water chemistry concerns are eliminated. Additionally, the innovative SGen-2000P series eliminates the need for hydrogen and reduces plant complexity, resulting in lower CAPEX and OPEX. Without hydrogen gas, an ATEX certification is not required. The SGen-2000P series is designed for high operational flexibility, making this generator an ideal fit for power or synchronous condenser applications. When operating as a synchronous condenser, it can be controlled remotely with no on-site presence required. The SGen-2000P series always operates with clean dry air at minimum positive pressure to ensure a contaminant-free operating environment. The water-cooled stator windings allow for low thermal stress and high reliability in the stator core. With an increased power demand, the water flow through the coolers in the bottom of the generator automatically increases to minimize the temperature rise. As the power demand continues to rise beyond the cooling water capacity, the Siemens proprietary control system senses the temperature rise and automatically increases the air pressure inside the generator. The variable air pressure maintains the best efficiency while preventing excessive thermal response of critical generator components. During a power reduction, the pressure inside the generator is naturally reduced, exhausting through vents located between the air seals, the labyrinth seals. Pressure settles at a minimum positive pressure to ensure contaminant-free operation. The SGen-2000P generator series offers high operational flexibility for high ramp-up and ramp-down rates with nearly unlimited start-stop cycles. The innovative mix of proven components and features are key enablers for flexible operation. They reduce required maintenance intervals, leading to a lower total cost of ownership when compared to a hydrogen-cooled machine. The Siemens SGen-2000P generator series is an asset for any of your power application needs. Whether it is matched with a Siemens prime mover or that of another manufacturer, the SGen-2000P provides the flexibility and competitive advantage you need.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.